Good afternoon to all of you. I, Dr. Pradeep Kumar Singhor, Professor, VNS Group of Institution, Faculty of Pharmacy, Bhopal. I welcome you all in today's lecture. Today we will discuss about the IPC name, mechanism of action, uses and synthesis of ibuprofen. Ibuprofen is a NSAID drug, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug. So today we will study about the ibuprofen. For the synthesis and IPC name, we should know the structure of ibuprofen. So can we write the structure of ibuprofen by seeing the name? Because the name of ibuprofen have ibu, pro and then fen. Ibu means isobutyl group is there. Pro means propyl, because this ibuprofen is a propionic acid derivative. So this contain pro means propyl, fe matlab phenyl ring. So we have to write one phenyl ring, propyl group and then isobutyl group. This is a propionic acid derivatives, means CH3COOH. This is a propionic acid, one phenyl ring and then one isobutyl, CH2CH3CH3. So this is the structure of ibuprofen. And now the IPC name. So for IPC name we have to write first propionic acid. This is a propionic acid. This is a 1 position, this is 2 and this is a 3. So the branching, or we can see the substitution at the second position of the propionic acid. So the remaining chain at the second position of the propionic acid. And what is this in the second position? This is a phenyl ring. Phenyl ring at a second position, and this is the 1 position, 2, 3 and 4. The 4 position of the phenyl, contain this. So we have to write 4 in phenyl, 4 position 4. What is this? Suppose this is a propyl, so we have to write propyl. In propyl, this is 1, 2 and 3. So in a second position, one methyl group is there. So we have to write 2 methyl, means 2 methyl propyl. This is contained at the 4th position of the phenyl, and all this is contained at second position of the propionic acid. So this is the IPC name. And now what is the mechanism of action? Ibuprofen is a COX inhibitor. And what is a COX? COX is an enzyme which is responsible for the conversion of arachidonic into the prostaglandin. And prostaglandin is a chemical mediator for the inflammatory response. So ibuprofen will block the COX enzyme. So inflammatory response will be suppressed by the ibuprofen. So what is the use of ibuprofen? Ibuprofen is used as a pain reliever, used for the pain removal from headache, for arthritis in a muscle cramp. So now we will study about the synthesis of ibuprofen. For synthesis, again we have to write the structure of ibuprofen. By structure we can easily identify the starting material of the ibuprofen. So this is the structure of ibuprofen. Suppose we break the structure from here, so we can take the starting material of this portion and then we have to add this portion. So for steps of the synthesis of ibuprofen is, we have to take this is isobutyl benzene. So we have to take the isobutyl benzene. Then we have to perform the Friedel-Crafts acylation by using the acetic anhydride. And this is the reaction, the Friedel-Crafts acylation. So what will form? CH3 CH3 CH2 benzene ring, and then acyl group will attach, COCH3 acyl CH3CO group will attach to the benzene ring. Again we have to add the HCN, addition reaction. Why we have to add the HCN? Because if we add the CN, then CN will convert into the COOH later. So we have to add HCN. CN will bind to the electrophilic carbon, so this bond will come to the oxygen. So H will bind to that oxygen and form OH. So after the addition reaction, what will form? CH3 CH CH3 CH2 benzene ring, and then CO is converted into a COH, and CN will attach at this carbon and one CH3. Now we have to remove the OH group because OH is not required. So we have to remove the OH by the reduction in the presence of HI. By using the HI, we have to perform the reduction reaction. So what will form? CH3 CH CH3 CH2 benzene ring, then CH, then CN and CH3. CH, OH will remove and CH will form and CN. Now by the hydrolysis, CN is converted into the COOH, means CH3 CH CH3 CH2 CH COOH and CH3. CN is converted into the COH. So by this ibuprofen will form. Ibuprofen. This is the isobutyl benzene. So we have to take the isobutyl benzene by the Friedel-Crafts acylation. This intermediate will form. By the addition of SCN, this intermediate will form, and for the removal of OH, reduction will perform, and then by the reduction, and then finally by hydrolysis, ibuprofen will be synthesized. So by this we can synthesize the ibuprofen. Thank you very much.